Can you imagine the classrooms of the future? How will we prepare our students for a world that's ever-changing and for careers that don't yet exist? Welcome to the world of EduNexus Unicorn, where we don't just imagine the future of education, we create it. EduNexus Unicorn is at the forefront of a revolution in education, harnessing the power of robotics, artificial intelligence, and coding lab to equip students with the skills they need for the future. We're not just educators, we're innovators, transforming the way learning happens. Our mission? To light the spark of curiosity in young minds and to give them the tools to become the creators, the innovators, and the problem solvers of tomorrow. Through our state-of-the-art labs, our cutting-edge curriculum, and our team of experienced educators, we offer students hands-on learning experiences that go far beyond the traditional classroom. Scene script. Why robotics, AI, and coding? Because these are the foundations of the future. They're not just subjects, they're gateways to a world of possibilities. By mastering robotics, students learn to design, build, and program machines that could change the world. Exploring AI, they step into the world of intelligence and automation, understanding how algorithms shape our daily lives. And with coding, they learn the language of the digital age, enabling them to create everything from software and apps to websites. But our commitment goes beyond the classroom. We know that education isn't just about what happens inside four walls. It's about creating holistic learning experiences that nurture creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. That's why we're partnering with schools to tailor our programs to meet their unique needs and objectives, making sure every student has the chance to shine. As we set out on this exciting journey, we invite you to join us in shaping the future of education. Together, we can inspire, innovate, and ignite the minds of our students, guiding them towards a future that's brighter than we can even imagine. Thank you. Let's now shift our focus to some of our bright young learners in India. As we transition, vibrant images of Indian school students engaged in interactive learning activities fill the screen. The diversity among the students is palpable. Different ages, backgrounds, cultures, all united by their shared thirst for knowledge. Their faces light up with enthusiasm as they navigate through our innovative learning modules, a testament to the impact of EduNexus Unicorn's unique approach to education. These are the faces of the future, imbued with the power of knowledge and the confidence to shape their own destinies, all thanks to the empowering platform provided by EduNexus Unicorn.